Slow. Keep that back straight, chest up, shoulder blades in, rise up, push through the heels, come back down again, nice and slow. That control is everything. You got to fire that muscle. Keep feeling it. Down, chest up, nice and slow, all the way up. Perfect. I want you to take your right leg another 2 inches forward, slowly. Okay, now I want you to keep your arms like this. Now, stomach muscle in, shift your right hip back. Shift your right hip back by 2 inches, and then slowly go all the way down 90 degrees. 1, and then up. Nice and slow. Remember, stomach muscles engaged. 2, all the way down. You got it. Perfect. 3, nice and slow. 4, good. Control it. 5, control it. Take your time. Take your time. First stabilize yourself and then go back down. Ready? 6. Good. Posture straight. 7.